Good afternoon, morning, or evening. I'm the Mainly Digger. Right now it's morning. This video is the very definition of guerrilla or nomadic, not nomadic, yeah, nomad detecting, pretty much. I go to different spots, I check them out, kind of like scouting. One of the spots is in Avon, Maine, which is a dirt road, pretty much. Near Strong, Maine, but it's just Farmington. Let's go with Farmington. It's close to Farmington. A bigger city in Maine, not really big. It's a town. Anyway, big town, small city. Avon is old. It is still dirt roads, and I love it. Literally, you can see a dirt road. Like, it's just a dirt road where I'm going. It's my in-laws' family home. It's where they started off in Maine in the 1800s. The property was deeded to my wife's great grandfather. I'm probably wrong about one of those greats. In the mid 1800s, property has been in the family ever since. The houses, or the buildings were in the actual farm. So you have a building and a couple of barns. There we go, words. Barns were built in the 1860s to the 1900s. Anyway, awesome property. I stop in there, and it's a place I've been meaning to get to, and I just haven't because it's a distance. It's a bit away from my house. The other spots are it's all over Maine. It really is. It's the basic definition of guerrilla detecting. Mainly dig out. In Avon, Maine. It is in the middle of nowhere. It's awesome. At a farm that it was built in the early 1800s. It's my wife's family farm. It's been in our family since the 1800s. They built it. There we go. First find of the day is this thing. I have no idea what it is. Looks pretty cool. So it's metal. I don't know what it is exactly. Hopefully, maybe. I hope it's a button. Might be construction related. I found out there's a whole bunch of nails in this area. Oh, and there's snow. Welcome to Maine. But yeah, so I'll have to clean it off later and then see what it is. It's probably like the top of a nail head or something, or a nail head. So I checked the hole twice again before I started to put the dirt back in, and I found this guy. Solid piece of metal. Ooh, bullet casing. Shell, good times. Rifle. I love me some old barns. Love old barns. I found this. It might be broken off axe. The blade part of it. And I found some old screws, bolts, whatever you want to call them. Oh, another shell. Someone's shooting over there. Lucky guy, whoever it is. Anyway. No idea, maybe some type of sign. Probably a piece to a tractor, farming equipment, no idea. So yeah, I just found this. Couple more pieces of metal. I think I found a suspender strap holder thingy. I forgot what it's called. Anyway, definitely like the strap there, and then the button would go there. And then I don't know how old it is, but yes, sir. Some stuff that needs to be cleaned off, and a brick. The brick is unusual because I'm not seeing anything structurally made out of brick on the property, which that doesn't mean it never was. It just means there's bricks on the property. Could be new, I don't know, who knows. I'll ask. On today's adventure, this is what I found. A garter belt, or garter clip. So that's an underwear clip. Not an underwear clip, but like it's, yeah, a garter clip. Anyway, a square nail. I love my square nails. A couple of rounds or shells. This thing, no idea what that is. There's some random stuff, some nails. Found a lot of nails. They're not. I'm not showing the nails. So this, I hope it's a button. I'll have to clean it off. It's probably like not a button. Anyway, we'll see. This, nothing. Love it. First find of the day. I'll show that later. But this is a, I don't know what they call it. It's a baseball field. And it looks like they use it as a soccer field. This is New Sharon, Maine. Someplace in New Sharon, Maine. That's all I know. Anyway. Quiet day. It's awesome. And so yeah, first find of the day is this piece of iron. It has, I don't know what it is, but it has this little lip on it, and then it's probably a crustacean. I call it a crustacean. It's called something else, more technical. Anyway, first find of the day. 2011 nickel. It's not a rare find. It's the first coin that I found today, but it'll go to something good. I can use it. Money is money. Oh, it's a Canadian penny from the 80s. It's ancient. Love Canadian pennies. Anyway, still here. Wherever we are. Wherever I am. Oh, not old or ancient. Not even, it has rubber on it. Still has the rubber on it. But, cool. Oh, lighter. Not the lighter I want. Kind of lighter I want. Oh, doesn't work. Big surprise. That's a quarter. From probably 2000s. I can't really see right now. Can't see it, but I'm gonna say 2000 because it's got the stuff on the back. Or not 2000s, 1999. Close enough. New location. I've always wanted to detect here, so I stopped. We're in Belgrade. This is Belgrade Old South Church. As you can see, it's been around since 1828. Don't know what I'm going to find here. I don't really have luck around old places like this, or that are still in use, probably because they've been detected out, or anyway, I have found a ring. Maybe a baby ring, I don't know, or a toe ring, who knows. Probably not a ring at all, but interesting. So that's definitely lead, and that looks like a shot, or like a bullet after it's been shot. So that's pretty cool. So today's adventure yields the baby ring, which I don't think it's a ring. I think it's because you can see, I think it's the top to something, or the bottom or something, but you can see right here, it was definitely attached to something. I don't know. This thing, I don't know either. I don't even know what to call it. A couple of coins. I love the 1 cent, the Canadian 1 cents. I think it's a round or a bullet, expanded bullet. It definitely is lead. You can kind of see like right there where it might be, where it would be seated into the casing or the shell, and then just change. Anyway, good times.